Hello Year 9, I know a few of you are a little bit confused about how to submit this assignment for your foreign aid task, so hopefully this is going to debug and just get rid of a few questions for you. So what we have here is the template that you're going to submit your assignment on, as you can see from the title. So your presentation needs to go for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see that just through here. Okay, some of the suggested platforms that we have given you guys is Adobe Spark, Powtoon and WeVideo. Although if you want, you could use any other medium just as long as you can do this. As long as you can paste the finished product to your video in this space right there. If you're not able to do that, it won't work. So if you're thinking of recording a PowerPoint and then that's going to produce a 100 megabyte file, you can't paste that here. There's no hyperlink to paste there. You could upload that to YouTube or to Vimeo and give me the hyperlink from there. But otherwise, the whole part of the submission is that you give me a video of 2 to 3 minutes in length that I can click on the hyperlink and just press play. There's nothing else to do. If you're confused by that, let me know and I'll talk you through it. But really, that should have cleared things up. Now that's the first part. Then secondly, you have at the end, at the end, you've got all this space. This is where you're going to have your 500 word evaluation. Whoop. Ran out of space to spell evaluation there, but that's okay. That's where you're going to do it. Nowhere else. It's not two different submissions. It's all in the one. The hyperlink up here, the 500 words down here. And this template's going to be uploaded into Google Classroom for you. So into 9A, 9B, 9R, 9Y, and 9E classes. So it's an individual response. No collaboration, that otherwise you run the risk of plagiarism. You are submitting your own individual work. Now, some of you have questions regarding the use of WeVideo, because some of you have used it for several other subjects in their assessment tasks, such as commerce, and I think science has used it recently as well. Okay, if you are using those, you need to be aware that there is a time limit for a bunch of them. So for WeVideo, you're only allowed to have 5 minutes of video recordings in total, and that green screening is a premium feature. All right, if that's the case, if you want to use WeVideo for green screening and you've already done a couple of assessment tasks, you're either going to need to upgrade and pay for the premium version, or you're going to need to use another Gmail account and start afresh. Or you can use something different altogether, such as Touchcast. That is a free app on iOS, and I'm pretty sure it's on Android as well, where you can use green screening. Totally fine. Or you can just use the normal recording on your camera, your iPhone or your Samsung or whatever your phone or tablet device's camera. Edit in iMovie or Adobe After Effects or Premiere or whatever the case may be. The key is, as long as you can submit it to me as a hyperlink. So one of the best things you can do is actually try do it beforehand, try get it sorted in the holidays, and then you can ask me, can I, check that the hyperlink works? Even better yet, check it yourself before you submit it. Go into a separate browser. If you're using Chrome, use Safari to check it, or use Mozilla, or use the new Microsoft Edge browser, whatever the case is. But overall, that's what you need to do. Submit your hyperlink here, your 500 words here, and make sure that I can access it via Google Classroom. All right. And just finally, that tip, whatever program you're using to create your video, make sure that you can submit it with whatever account features you have. If you're trying to use premium or paid for features in Powtoon or WeVideo and aren't paying for it, you're not going to be able to submit it. I can only mark what you submitted. Okay? Any questions, ask me in class or send me an email. Thanks.